Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have one of the most exciting unboxings I've ever done. This is the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo, and it's a big deal. With a 4K camera, OcuSync 2.0, and that crucial sub 250 gram weight, it's a game changer. So let's stop talking and dive right into the box to see what we get. I'm super excited to check this out.
Right off the bat, the packaging is what you expect from DJI. Clean, sturdy, and premium. Let's slide off this outer sleeve and reveal the main box. Opening this up gives you that great feeling of finally getting your hands on it. The first thing we see is the awesome carry bag.
The Fly More combo is definitely worth it just for this bag alone. It's compact, comfortable, and looks like it offers fantastic protection for all your gear. Let's unhook the zip and take a look inside. Oh, there it is, the main attraction, the DJI Mini 2 drone.
Look at the size of this thing. It literally fits in the palm of your hand. The biggest selling point, of course, is that it weighs less than 250 grams, 249 grams. That means in most regions, you don't need to register it. Massive bonus for travelers. Let's unfold the arms. The build quality feels solid, even though it's incredibly light.
Next up is the redesigned controller. If you've used the original Mavic Mini, you'll immediately notice the difference. This new controller is much larger, feels great in the hands, and most importantly, it supports OcuSync 2.0 transmission. This significantly increases the range and reliability of the video feed, giving you a clear HD link even at long distances. The top-mounted phone clamp is also a huge upgrade for better viewing. Now for the actual Fly More part of the combo. We get 3 intelligent flight batteries. Each one gives you up to 31 minutes of flight time, which is excellent for a drone this size. To keep them charged, we have the 2-way charging hub. It's super convenient because you can charge all 3 sequentially without needing separate chargers. Let's quickly look at the rest of the included gear. We have 3 pairs of spare propellers, always good to have backups. You get a little screwdriver for easy installation, a propeller holder for travel, and a variety of USB cables, USB-C, micro USB, and Lightning, so you're covered no matter what phone you have.
So there you have it, guys. Everything that comes inside the amazing DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo. Honestly, for a drone this size, the amount of tech they've packed into it is truly impressive. We've got the drone, the OcuSync controller, 3 batteries, and the charging hub. It really is a big power in a small package.
If you enjoyed this unboxing and you want to see the 4K test footage and the first flight review, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments if you already own a Mini 2 or if you're planning to buy one. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.